gagamitin natin sa ating recipe. Ay! So lahat talaga. Playing with fire.
Dito po tayo ngayon sa Buwak ABC Market. Normally dito po dinadala yung mga farm produce na mga baryos, na mga
So all these halos are locally sourced, no?
Yes, yes. Oh.
And ito, luyang dilaw. Ito
Yes,
kailangan
po.
natin to. Yan. Ilan ba kailangan natin? Konti lang. Yan. Ito marami kasi ito ginagawa dito. Even the turmeric tea gumagawa
Opo.
dito, no? Yan. Bili po kami. Yan. Thank you. Bawang at sibuyas. Yan. Yan. Beautiful kalabasa, oh. Oh. Oh, ito, papaya.
Ito po.
Yan. Papaya dance tayo. Di ba may papaya?
Opo, opo.
Yan, ito. Pwede din pang atsara. Yan. Ito po. Magkano kilo?
40 cents.
Yan, oh. Ito yung gagamitin natin sa ating recipe later. Yan. Ito, isa pa. For the color, para pag-plating natin maganda. Yan. Yan. Let's go! So, akyatin ko tong niyog na to. Pag malaglag, nandito si Kuya, may protection. And of course, pag malaglag, viral. Igi, game, are you ready? Sasayaw na lang kayo. Di ba, gagawin kong pool? Napagod ako doon. Tingnan mo, ang hinarvest ko. Oh, di ba? Kuya, painom naman, kuya. Magbukas tayo ng ating buko. Di ba? Mas madali magluto, di ba? Kaysa mag-farming. Kaya eto, inuman tayo ng fresh buko juice. Salamat, kuya. Oh. Tamis niya. Refreshing. Woo! So coconuts play a very important role in Marinduque cooking. Today, magluto tayo ulit with coconut. It's done. So we are here at RMB Paraiso Farms and we are cooking something very interesting. Ano ba yung lulutuin natin?
Nataang kabayo.
Tigidig. So we are cooking horse meat today. Normal ba yan na kinakain dito sa Marinduque yung karne ng kabayo?
Yes po, chef.
So mantika,
Opo,
sige.
mantika, chef.
Gisa-gisa, no?
Opo.
Importante magisa-gisa. And meron tayong ginger. Eto, mabango to dahil we are cooking with firewood. Ano ba yung sekreto pag nagluluto ng kabayo? Kailangan bang mabilis ka tumakbo para mahabol mo? Or luyang dilaw? No, marami kayong luto dito sa Marinduque using luyang dilaw.
Opo. Usually po yung mga ginataan po namin ay...
May luyang dilaw
Yes.
talaga. Then bawang, then sibuyas din, no?
Opo, chef.
Yan. So, very interesting, no? So, araw-araw mo ba nabibili yung karne ng kabayo dito?
Hindi po, chef. Every Thursday po ang...
Every Thursday. Ginataan talaga siya. So, ito, sinangkot siya na natin to, no? So,
Opo,
this one has
chef.
been cooked until tender.
Pinakuluan lang po siya sa laurel,
Laurel.
at saka paminta po.
Paminta. So, lahat talaga ng mga taga dito kumakain talaga ng kabayo. So, normal thing lang siya, no?
Yes po, chef.
Pagkatapos, ano yung tatakpan natin? So, it isn't strange for Filipinos to eat horse meat. Kasi, in some areas, it's really normal to have that in their dishes, no? So, like for example, in Manila, tapang kabayo is very popular. Yan, no? So, ito yung ginawa nila. After cooking the meat to become tender, tinapon yung kanyang
Yung
pinagkuluan kasi malansa siya. Yan. Ito. Sukang tuba from the farm. Hindi masyadong maraming suka, no?
Opo.
Pang balanse lang.
Opo.
Yan. Yan. Op. So ito, lulutuin na lang siya hanggang mag-blend yung mga flavors. Sumabas yung yellow ng ating luya. Ang bango-bango. Yan, patis. So para siyang horse curry yung kulay, no? Yan. So ano yung ninuluto natin?
Adobong kabayo sa gata na may dilaw po.
Dilaw. No? So dilaw ang tawag sa turmeric dito, no?
Opo.
Yan. And it's beginning to look so delicious. Kayo excited ba kayo na matikman tong dish na to? Dapat may sili. Very smoky. I am very smoky now. Diba?
May usok na si chef.
Diba? Then may ceiling green. Amoy tinapa na ako. Tinapang baboy. Ayan. So ano, luto pa natin siya hanggang manuyot ng konti. Then, mag-render yung ating coconut. Yan, nagmamantika na siya. Oh. Ako, nagmamantika na rin. Eh.
Marunong pala si chef sa kape.
Oo, marunong ako. Alam mo, a lot of people who live in the city, yung mga city folk, yung mga nasa urban areas, hindi na marunong magluto with wood, no? Yung firewood. And it's very tricky kasi tama yung pagka-arrange mo para may hangin siya to aerate the wood para umapoy siya.
Tsaka diba chef, sabi po nila, pagluto daw po sa kahoy ay mas masarap.
Mas masarap ang nagluluto kasi smoky. Arrange mo para even din yung ating heat. Yan. And luto na ating adobong kabayo sa gata na may dilaw. Perfect na pulutan.
Inaabangan po to ng mga magiinom tuwing Webes sa palengke.
So ito pala may mga suki palang mga mangiinom nito. And look at that, ang sauce. Nakita mo yung sauce? Yan, ang sauce. Oh, ang ganda. And ito na ang ating recipe for today. Ating adobong kabayo sa gata na may dilaw. Simpol! Tara, kain tayo. Titikman natin tong masarap na luto sa kabayo. Tigilig, tigilig, tigilig. And it's time for me to cook. And I was so inspired by not only the recipes of Marinduque, but also the produce. So today, I will create something special. Invento to, and let's see if it works out. Rooted in tradition, with some innovation, but still very simple to do. And simulan natin mag-gisa-gisa tayo. Yan. Ang ating luyang dilaw and our normal ginger. So I want to saute this to bring out the color of our luyang dilaw and also the aroma of our ginger. And for today, I am using native chicken, which has already been cooked until tender. No? Onions and garlic, very traditional. Let that cook until it's aromatic before adding our chicken. So ito siya, yung ating native chicken. So kasama ng ating, di ba, kanyang juices, ang ating chicken. Add our dahon ng laurel, black pepper. So we want to season this early on so that ang ating chicken meat will also be flavorful. Look at that, no? Very nice. Saute. And I will add my vinegar. A bit of patis. Not all of the patis. Now we just want to flavor our chicken. We will add more to balance later on. And let that simmer for a little while. Pinapalakas ko yung apoy. Yan. Kumukulo na yung ating chicken adobo sa dilaw. And ito siya yung ginagawa ko ngayon. I'm trying to incorporate as much fiber as possible because I want to eat healthier din. So ito siya, usually it's just chicken and papaya. So more people can eat, no? Kasi pag puro meat, sometimes it can be expensive. But this one, what I want to do is to add more vegetables to make this dish even more flavorful and nutritious. At the same time, we also want to celebrate the produce of Marinduque. So here we're trying to respect the tradition, but just adding a bit of flair to make it special and unique. And now I will add my coconut milk. We can use a lot of coconut milk. It's not only healthy, but it's very abundant here. Purong-puro yung ating gata. Beautiful color, no? Let that simmer. So this is a very traditional version, which you can just serve this way, but I will make it more special by adding a few of the produce I got from the market. So locally grown squash, the purple kamote, and pineapples. Yan. I will leave some for garnish on top. Very sweet pineapples from the island. Mix it all up. Let that simmer. You have more fiber. It's going to be more colorful. Now I will add my red chilies. I also have here coconut, buko meat, which I diced. I'm also adding green chilies, whole. And lastly, we will just mix everything together. Let it cook. Let all the flavors come together. Let the sauce reduce. And we will have a very new version of our adobong manok sa dilaw. Look at that, the sauce is now thicker. Our vegetables are now tender. And I'm now so smoky. Yan. Tender na rin yung manok. And we are ready to plate. And for the presentation, we want to make something also very presentable if you have visitors or, you know, special guests. We are using the pineapple from Marinduque as our serving vessel. And our pineapples are from Buwak here in Marinduque. Lots of vegetables. Very nice. The sauce. Very nice sauce. Very rich. So, lalo na pag medyo madurog na yung ating kamote and our kalabasa. Then the flavors of the pineapple are there. Red chili and green chili. And here it is. Ating inimbento na dish inspired by, of course, our adobo sa dilaw ng Marinduque. And here it is, ating special recipe created for Marinduque, our Marinduque Island Adobo Simpol. Na, kain tayo. Papatikim natin to kung magugustuhan nila. And I'm here, of course, with Miss Rona, who owns this beautiful farm. And thank you for having us. And eto, papatikim ko sa iyo yung luto ko. Ito version ko ng ating adobong dilaw. And ito, ginawa ko dito, nag-add lang ako ng ibang ingredients found in the island. And I hope you will like the idea. So, meron siyang pineapple, meron siyang kamote, no? To add a bit of sweetness. And ako naman, I will taste this adobong kabayo. Tender. Very tender. And ito medyo, di ba, yung pinapatuyo nyo talaga yung kanyang gata. So, is this a traditional thing that you prepare here in Marinduque?
Yes, especially sa dito yung tawag namin is ilaya.
Ilaya.
Yun yung mga highlands. So, doon kasi maraming kabayo. Ginagamit din kasi nila yan sa paghakot ng kopras.
Kopras. Yan. So, ito, ako yung mauna, titikman ko tong aking share of the kabayo meat.
Sasabay na rin ako.
Sige, yan. Nice. No weird flavor or anything. Medyo tough lang nga siya, pero How is the chicken?
Yung asim
Mm.
at saka yung gata, parang nag-blend siya na hindi nakakasuya.
Yeah.
Parang na-control itong mga vegetables, especially noong
At saka may
pineapple.
sweetness kasi yung pineapple, di ba? Ito, ako naman titikim ng aking luto. Sarap ng luto.
Masarap.
Sarap siya. Healthier din. So we created a successful recipe today, but I'm more interested to learn more about your farm. So, ano nakatagal tong farm mo?
We started 2005 dito
2005.
sa farm. Pero ano lang siya, stress reliever namin. Kasi we have the business, yung aming bread and butter business, engineering business sa Quezon City.
Ito siya talaga, you didn't have the intention to make it a business.
Every time din kasi parang nag-match siya kasi tuwing uuwi kami from Manila, dadala kami ng pair ng mga hayop. Tapos halaman. Kaya yun, unti-unti nabuo. Kung ano yung nakukuha namin, sabi namin, i-share namin sa mga tao.
It's very interesting, a very interesting and delicious trip natin dito. One flavorful escape dito sa Marinduque. Thank you very much for having us. Please invite our viewers to visit you.
We are inviting everybody na pumunta dito sa amin farm for us to share yung experience with nature. Tama-tama lang yung anghang.
Rice cooked adobo. It's cooked in tuba.
Tinaludsod. It's like a local pancake made with glutinous rice flour.
The cocoa also has good flavor, no?
Thank you. We're very proud of our hot chocolate.